There we go, perfect. 3, 2, and 1. Ooh. Yo, what's up everybody? It is your boy Brandon. Look, I got a new location for y'all, man, and this place is crazy. Now, I've been actually trying to shoot at this location for like the last 3 weeks. But the weather has just been horrible, man. Now, as you can see, it's windy out here today. It's very, very cloudy. But, you know, we said we got to get this shoot in, man. We gonna go ahead and get it done, man. So I found this abandoned, like, 3-building area out here in Suffolk, man. And this is absolutely crazy. I love this location. I like little broke down stuff like this, man, as you can see from the buildings and everything. But it's all about what you do. It's all about your vision. It's all about what you can see and how you can get the shot. All right. So today, I never shot in this location, but this is what makes being an on-location photographer that much more surreal and realistic. All right. This is what separates shooters from shooters. All right. When you can come in a place like this, just run down and all this just like it is, and still get some amazing shots. Now, again, you've never seen this on my YouTube channel. You've never seen this location. And I just found it today. I did my little walk around, you know, as I do with every location. And I look in here and I see, what do I think is going to make a good shot? And it takes me a few seconds. I analyze it. What do I think is going to look good with what she has on? You know, the image, how the images are going to come out, how they're going to look, where the light is going to be at. Is it going to be sturdy, stable? Like, all these things go through your mind, you know, a thousand things a minute, right? I'm recording, all right? I don't have somebody to record today, so I'm gonna give you as much video as I can behind the scenes from my sensor, all of that stuff. But we're gonna see what we can do in this location. Stay tuned, guys. You don't wanna miss this. This is gonna be epic. I can already see it. I holla. A little bit, yeah. Oh yeah. I went up there when I first got here. Yeah. They obviously come over here a lot.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, when I looked at it from the outside, I was like, you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of like a haunted house at like the fair. The way they built it though was crazy nice, man. It definitely should remain some type of production thing. So a little bit of background, dude. So I am shooting with the Explorer 800 Pro out on here location. We got the black dish, of course, just in case you guys want to see it. We got the black dish in here. I am recording with the Canon C50 in the 28-70 2.8. I am using a ND filter on it because, you know, still gonna make it a little bit light in, but I want to make sure I get that color grade right for this video. And yeah, oh, the lenses that I brought out, I brought the 200 f2. Of course, I keep it on me always. I brought the 85 1.4. I haven't shot with it, but I know being in an area like this, if I don't want to go too far, I wanted to bring out the 85 for that. And of course, we got my trusty 35 millimeter 1.2. All right, so 3 lenses, 35, 85, 200. Let's go. See here, 3, 2, 1. Okay, cool. All right, you ready? Here we go. Where's your, you got glasses?
I do.
What color are they?
I have pink and I have like a brownish.
Let's do the pink first. Let's do the pink. I want to see what the pink look like. So yeah, we're gonna start using the 35 1.2. Oh, okay. Yeah. Kill. You need to be on somebody's boat. Yo, we using the 35, man. We'll get some shots here. Here we go. Good. 3, 2, 1. Head up in the light. Can't see your face. Yeah, good. 3, 2, 1. I like that. Actually, I like that. Yep. Good. Chin up in the light. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, that's fire. All right, some head there. Yep. Yeah, so pop your hip out the other way. Yep, so, yep, there you go, perfect. And then head back this way. Yep, perfect. Keep turning your head. There you go, perfect. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Fire. 3, 2, 1. Good. Give me a larger stance. Good, perfect. Good, now turn your head, perfect. Perfect. Good, I like that. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, ooh, do it one more time. Good, Lord. 3, 2, oh, well, hold it. Chin up a little bit more. Right there, stop. Ah, this is it right here. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, get out of here. Yep, we got the shot. We got a good shot. All right, let me see here. Actually, I'll tell you what. Come right here on the edge of here.
Okay.
Yeah, come right there. I'm gonna turn this around. So, you're gonna be looking that way.
This way?
Yep. All right, here we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Stay right there. Look up at the light now. Perfect. Bring that arm down just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Stay right there. I'm gonna get one more shot. Gorge. Here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Huh? Yeah. There we go. Perfect. So come on the front. Come on. Yeah. Yep. Come right there. Yep. Yeah. Right on the edge. Yep. Perfect. Yep. Just like that. Good. 3, 2, 1. All right. Look up at the light for me. Good. Or turn towards. Look at the building. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Coming forward. Good. 3, 2, and 1. All right, so on the corner. So yeah, you can put that foot up right there, like right on the edge. Yeah, perfect. Yep. And let's get the glasses.
Take them off?
Yep. Yeah. So we're gonna work this edge just like that. Perfect. Perfect. 3, 2, and 1. Good. 3, 2, 1. Back up at the light now. Good. Oh, that was a good one. 3, 2, 1. Make sure you part those lips. Bring that arm in now, like right here in your pocket. Yep. Perfect. Yep. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Nice pose. Get a little bit of the sky here. There we go. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Like that. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Good. Now over at the light now. Here we go. Right there. Perfect. Oh, I'm gonna shoot right here, but put that leg back up for me. Yep, just right there. Perfect. Yep, just like that. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Boom. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, fire. All right. You said what? Oh, that's gonna be dope, because I'm gonna shoot from straight on. So I'll put the other light right here. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, fire. Right there at the light. Oh, that's perfect. Right there. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Wow. Beautiful. Oh my God. That's it right there. Beautiful sky. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, I gotta come this way a little more. That's dope. Nope, that's dope. No, back up. Yep, perfect. 3, 2, and 1. Last one. Here we go. 3, 2, and 3, 2, and 1. Yep, perfect. Microphone check. Yep, perfect. All right. 85. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Work. 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay, hold on. Let me plug this back up. These shots right here, especially with these glasses, I just kind of want these shots right here to be, you know, like you one of the boys, pretty much, but more like
Like a boss bitch.
Yeah, exactly. That right there. That's exactly what I want. All right, see what we got. Here we go. Make sure I got this right. 3, 2, 1. Good to go. 3, 2, 1. Beauty. I'm just shooting. Do your thing. 3, 2, 1. Remember where the light is at. Gorge. Yeah. So this is one of those times, man, where you can just get that idea going. Fire. 3, 2, 1. And let them work. I like that lean too. That lean was really nice too. 3, 2, 1. Gorge. 3, 2, 1. Now remember, you got suspenders. You can put your back on there. You know, you got your suspenders, you got your glasses. Remember, use everything that you have on to get that shot. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. That was good, but you gotta go back to the middle. You're moving away too far from the light. So, yep, perfect. Yep, good, all right. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Gorge, love that. Hold on a second. I'm gonna get a little bit, one more ink. There we go, perfect. All right. So I want the left hand, bring that one down and put right there in your belt buckle. Yep. Yeah, actually right in the front. Yep, yeah, perfect. Now take your head. Yep, perfect, perfect. There we go. 3, 2, 1. So I want you to turn your head a little bit more. Yep, that right there. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna take 2 shots. Stay right there. That's the first one. Good. Next one. 3, 2, and 1. And one more. Back up at the light. Oh, yes. All right. So that was the 80. All right, so the blue.
Okay.
So you're gonna go down, go to the blue, right in the middle, and turn around, yeah, towards me. And actually, I don't know why I gotta go anyway. I gotta take the flash. Take the glasses off of these. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do these without the glasses. All right, so we shooting with the 200mm f2. Last few shots right here. I thought these would be dope. All right, ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, much better. Good. 3, 2, and 1. All right, so stand right in the middle. Yep, right in the middle. Cool. Yep, give me the pose. So you're gonna have both of your hands in the middle of your. Yep. Yeah, yep. Centered. Here we go. Ready? And 3, 2, and 1. Yes. Gorge. Lovely. All right, 3, 2, and 1. I like that. Like that. 3, 2, 1. Stay right there. Now turn your head towards the flash. Yep, perfect. 3, 2, and 1. Open your eyes a little bit, girl. Can't see. There you go. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Shucky ducky, shut your mouth. Gorge. Like, oh, that's it right there. That's fire. Hold on, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1. So I'm cutting off that hand, so use your other hand. Yep, go back. Yep, perfect. Yep, exactly. 3. So lean into where you're leaning on. Yep, lean that way. Good. Now head back to the left. Perfect. There we go. Stay right there. 3, 2, 1. Coming forward. Hold on. There we go. Perfect. 3, 2, and 1. Ooh. Good. Lovely. Love that. Oh, back, chin back down. Right there. Eyes up. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, love that. Love that. Oh, I like that lean. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, wee. To the camera. Good. 3, 2, 1. All right. One, few more. Can you put your back to the thing? Yep. Okay. I'll give you. Boost the light a little bit. Okay. Here we go. See what we got. Yeah. There we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, perfect. I got it. I gave you enough light. We good. 3, 2, 1. Gorge. 3, 2, 1. Put that hand back up there. Yep. No, yep. Just like that. Now look back over at the camera right here. 3, 2, 1. That other hand bring on your, like right, yeah, right there. Perfect. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Look at the light. 3, 2, 1. Whoo! Shut your mouth. All right, let me see how close I can come. This will be the last one. Let's see here. 3, 2. Oh, where you at? 3, 2, 1. Right over here at the camera. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, and 1. Well, one more. Stay right there. Oh, whoa, stay. Ah, I gotta get more of your leg. She's like, oh no, oh no, hold on, stay, wait. Yo, that's how it works, bro. I'm telling you. Wait till you see them. All right. Wait, and that's exactly, as soon as I post that picture, that's exactly what I'm putting in the comments. Oh, wait. And there's only one person on this earth that's gonna know what that means. Hey, what's up, everybody? It is your boy, Brandon. Yo, thank you for checking out another video with my beautiful model, Viri. I told you it was hard to try to get. This weather is so what they call it? Bipolar. We got some bipolar weather in Virginia, man. We try to come and try to go, try to come and try to go. Luckily, it is gonna start warming up, so you're gonna see a lot more, but we was able to come out. Big shout out, it's cold out here, it was windy out here, but we was able to get it done, me and her. So hope you guys appreciate that, man. Love you guys, and we will see you guys in the next video. All right, we gotta go. Holla, peace. I'm out.